Hello everyone, how was your week? I hope you had a great one. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my favorite pumpkin soup recipe. And of course, we will illustrate this delicious dish together. If you haven't been a fan of pumpkin before, like I used to be, you should definitely give this recipe a try. It's incredibly easy to make, taking me about 10 minutes to prepare. All you need to do is clean out the inside of the pumpkin, put in all the ingredients, mix them thoroughly, seal the pumpkin, and bake it in the oven for about 1 to 2 hours, depending on the size of your pumpkin. When it's ready, simply remove the peel. Blend all the flesh together with the stuffing. Add some cream or coconut milk, and your pumpkin soup is ready with a rich, delicious taste that's also aesthetically pleasing to draw. This pumpkin has inspired me to dedicate an entire new sketchbook solely to recipes. Despite having lots of unfinished sketchbooks already, I felt the need for one more dedicated to my culinary creations. I have this brand new sketchbook that I created a while ago, and I didn't really know what to do with it because its format is quite large for me, measuring 15 by 15 centimeters. Honestly, I've never drawn in such a big sketchbook, but I'm hopeful that it will work well for recipes. Recipes often require a lot of space to write down ingredients and instructions, so I have high expectation for this sketchbook. The only doubt that I can't recall the type of paper I used for this sketchbook, and I'm not entirely sure if it's suitable for markers. Well, fingers crossed, and I really hope this sketchbook will be ideal for my cooking drawing adventures. Let me know in the comments what recipe I should illustrate next. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments. I will also attach the link to the full version of this video tutorial on my Patreon, which consists of 2 parts. It includes an easy to follow voiceover video tutorial along with the color palette, reference photos, and black and white outline. I hope you will enjoy this video and have the opportunity to practice your cooking and drawing skills with me. Enjoy the process and consider joining our cozy marker community on Patreon.